Age range. Recommended for ages 3 to 6. A place for everything. 9. Plastic bins in varying sizes easily stow books, toys, art supplies or books. Quality craftsmanship. Frame is made from strong wood, bins are made of durable plastic. Ideal size. Assembled dimensions, 33.375 inches W x 11.75 inches D x 23.5 inches H. Small bins, 11.5 inches L x 7.75 inches W by 5 inches H. Large bins, 15.25 inches L x 11.5 inches W by 5 inches H. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect storage solution. I bought this for temporary toy storage in my living room while my playroom is being built. This product was exactly what I would expect for less than $50. It is not going to last a lifetime, but it is sturdy enough to do the job. It was easy to put together, took me 10 minutes with a screwdriver, and looks great next to my other furniture. Very happy with this purchase.